everyone. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. And if you have not subscribed, please consider unsubscribing. I would love to have you guys over here. So, as you can see, I have 8 candles. And I am going to melt them down. And I am going to place it over in this dish. This glass dish. So, I've gotten this bowl from Goodwill, and it was $3.99, and it is two-tone like gold and silver. So when I saw this bowl, I said, you know what, I can do something with this. I can do something with this. It's mirrored on the inside, so I can imagine when you get ready to light the candle, it's going to reflect. Yes, it's going to reflect. So I thought it was beautiful, and I grabbed it and I said, you know what, let's go make a candle. You know, I have 8 of these, and hopefully it will be enough. And I am going to use the wick and place it in here as well. So you guys, let me go ahead and remove all the paper off the glass. And I will not throw my glass away. I may be able to use it for something else, okay, like a DIY. You never know. Never throw away your glass containers, because you may need them in the long run. Just set them aside. All right. Let's go ahead and remove the paper. I now have some water in a pot on the stove. It is hot, so I went on and placed all 8 candles over in this pot. So you're going to bring it to a boil and make sure that the candle wax is completely melted. And it took about 30 to 45 minutes. So I'm going to show you in between time how it is melting. And I am also going to remove the wick from the candles. And as you see here, the candle wax is beginning to melt, and it took about 10 to 15 minutes. And I'm showing you all how far I am into melting the wax. So I'm about 20 to 25 minutes in. It's a slow process, but it's getting there. Now we're about 30 to 35 minutes in. The candle wax is completely melted. Now I'm getting ready to secure the wick with super glue. Okay, y'all, I want to put at least 6 wicks inside of this bowl. I cleaned it. Look how shiny and mirrored it is. I have Dollar Tree super glue. I'm going to put a dab here. Place it there. I didn't have no sticks or anything to secure the wick, so I'm using this to kind of like hold you know, the wick up. So my candles has melted. Let me go ahead and pour it into this bowl. Let's see. Oop. I hope it doesn't fall in there. Get some tape to secure it down. I hope this is enough, y'all. Alright, y'all, it's full. So 6 was able to fill it up to where I want it to be. Now I'm going to pour some of this refreshing garden fragrant here, and I'm gonna use the other 2 jars for something else. I'm gonna use it, I'm gonna pour it in something else, so I don't know what, but I'll see. So I'm going to pour this over in here too, just to give it some scent. I'll use it all. Okay, y'all, we're gonna see what it's looking like when I get back. One wick done came up, so we shall see. Stay tuned. That's what it's looking like. Okay, you guys, I am back. I had to leave to go to a college graduation. My nephew graduated. He got his bachelor's degree. So I was gone long enough for it to become solid. And I had to use this in order for the wick to stand up. I didn't feel like digging for my sticks and taping the wick to it or what have you. So this worked out great. Now I have my scissors here. I am going to cut the wick down some. Okay. Cut it down. And it smells so good, y'all. It smells so good. Okay, let's see. And one thing, I don't know why it has a dip in the middle. It has a dip in the middle. Can you see that? I don't know why that is. Okay. That's what it looks like. Let me get a lighter and light it. It smells good, y'all. It smells so good. Alright, you guys, this is what it's looking like. I'm just looking at the burning, wondering why it's so low. But it's burning, and where it has that little dip at, I see that the candle wax is melting and it's running into the little dip, and I think that's going to be pretty good, you know, in order to fill that little dip right there. So y'all, this is what it's looking like, and it does smells good. It does smell good. So I'm glad I found this, I guess you can call it a vase, little glass bowl. And when I'm done using this as a candle, I am going to clean it out and then go ahead and, you know, put flowers in it. Thank you all so much for watching. And if you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the notification bell button so that you will not miss out on any of my videos. Please thumbs up, comment, and come back, because you never know what I may have next for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.